नमस्कार। मैं हूँ रिया और आज ललन टॉप एक स्क्वैश कोर्ट में है क्योंकि हमारे साथ एक बेहद ही खास गेस्ट है। भारत की नंबर वन स्क्वैश प्लेयर और एक बेहद ही प्रतिभाशाली एथलीट अनाहत सिंह। आपको पहले बता दें कि अनाहत से हमारी थोड़ी देर पहले बात हुई, तो सवाल हम हिंदी में पूछेंगे, लेकिन अनाहत को थोड़ा सा हिंदी बोलने में दिक्कत है, तो हम कोशिश करेंगे कि उनकी बात आप तक पहुँचा सके। सबसे पहले तो अनाहत, वेलकम टू ललन टॉप स्पोर्ट्स।
थैंक यू।
आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू, मैंने आपको देखा कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स से, लाइक व्हेन यू वर जस्ट 15 years old, वहाँ से आपका ये जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ है। स्क्वैश क्यों चूज किया? क्या रीजन था दैट यू विल प्ले दिस स्पोर्ट?
I used to play badminton for a few years before squash since I was 5 years old, and my elder sister used to play squash at the same time. And I went with her for a few tournaments and practice sessions, and I loved all kinds of sports, so I just tried it out and I played a few matches with her. And I played both sports at the same time for a few years, and I wanted to take it up professionally, so I knew I'd have to stick to just one sport. And over time, I just really loved squash and started going with it.
व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस जब आप फर्स्ट टाइम टीम इंडिया के लिए यू वर ऑन द कोर्ट और आपके साथ बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लेयर्स थे जो इस गेम में लेजेंड है, हु आर प्लेइंग फ्रॉम अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, तो उनके साथ फर्स्ट टाइम जब शेयर किया दैट ड्रेसिंग रूम, दैट टीम इंडिया वाइब एंड वेयरिंग दैट इंडियन जर्सी, व्हाट वाज दैट फीलिंग लाइक?
In the beginning, I was a bit, to myself, I was a bit awkward because it was my first time meeting everyone and they were all a lot older than me. So I was scared of them. But over time, because I got to spend a lot of time with them on the 2 weeks that the tournament was going on, I think it was an incredible experience. Just even not just the squash players, meeting so many of the top athletes from different countries and just being in the village and seeing how all athletes are before the matches and after the matches as well was, I think it's something I'll never forget.
यू आर सो यंग, यू आर जस्ट 17 राइट नाउ। आप बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैवल करते हो फॉर टूर्नामेंट्स एंड ऑल्सो फॉर द ट्रेनिंग सेशंस। स्कूल के साथ टू बैलेंस आउट कितना मुश्किल होता है कि आप अपना स्पोर्ट्स भी खेल सको एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू डोंट मिस आउट ऑन दैट स्कूल थिंग। डू यू रियली मिस स्कूल?
I do miss school, but I miss meeting my friends more than the studying part of it. But yeah, my school is very supportive. If I miss out on anything, I miss like 20 days of the month. Usually I'm traveling, and if I ever need to do classes with my teachers online, or if I need to speak to them maybe late at night, if there's a time difference, they're always there to help out. And whenever I'm traveling on the plane or just on the road, also, I try to study as much as I can. And yeah, I do miss going to school sometimes, but I mean, I love traveling just as much, so it's okay.
सो नाउ दैट यू आर सीइंग दैट आपने जितना हार्डवर्क किया है, जितना सेक्रीफाइसेस किए हैं, बिकॉज एक नॉर्मल चाइल्डहुड और आपके चाइल्डहुड में बहुत डिफरेंस है। सो नाउ व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग टू गेटिंग रिजल्ट, बिकॉज यू वन टू रियली इंपॉर्टेंट टूर्नामेंट्स दिस ईयर, सो हाउ डज दैट फील दैट नाउ यू आर फाइनली गेटिंग द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ ऑल द हार्ड वर्क एंड सेक्रीफाइसेस यू पुट इन दिस गेम?
Yeah, obviously, I'm really happy about that. Like, I know I've trained towards it for a long time, and it's really great to see results like that, especially when like I have to travel so much of the year, and when you don't get the results that you want, it sometimes gets a bit lonely and sad. But I mean, yeah, I'm glad that like all the missing out on school and meeting my friends is finally paying off.
So you said that sometimes it does get to you, like you, if you lost a match or something like that, how do you motivate yourself? Like, okay, fine, I have to get out of this now. What is your mindset at that time? Because you are really young, and I'm like, it's get too much sometime because the pressure, especially when you are playing in the tournaments like Commonwealth Games and Asian Games, the pressure is double. So how does you take that?
I mean, I don't really get too stressed out, especially when I'm playing senior events because I know they're all much senior than me. They have a lot more experience, so I just try to play my best. But I mean, sometimes like if I've lost a match, I am quite sad. But I mean, at the end of the day, I'm still quite young. I have a lot of years left in my career, and I just try to take it one match at a time. And if I've done badly in one match, it's fine because I have so many more tournaments left for me to play well in.
So one match at a time has took you to the rank number one in India. So for first time when you got that thing that you are now number one in India, how does that feel?
Yeah, I mean, the rankings go up and down a lot. Like, I was number one even last year, but then again, it dropped and it keeps going up and down. But yeah, I mean, being number one in the country is a different feeling altogether. Just opening, the site and seeing that your name is there in the first, like, your name is there up first. I mean, it's really great. And yeah.
What exactly is your plan for, like, because 2026 is obviously going to have Asian Games and Commonwealth Games, and of course squash is now part of LA 2028 Olympics. So what do you feel when you got to know that now you have a chance to win an Olympic medal for your country too?
Yeah, of course. Like it's the first time squash is in the Olympics, so everyone is really excited and looking forward to it. But the competition is also going to be really high because there's only 16 people that are allowed to play, and yeah, because everyone's going to be training for it. Everyone really wants a medal, so it's going to be tough to qualify and even tougher to get a medal. But yeah, I'm really excited. Hopefully, I get a chance to play.
Okay, so if I'll ask you, how does it feel to play here? Like in the Red Bull Beat the Pro, how do you feel to play here in Delhi, your home state? How does it feel?
Yeah, I mean it's really
It's helping also.
yeah, it's really exciting. Like I've known about this event for almost a month, and I've been really looking forward to it. And it's the first time I've done something like this, and just getting to see some of the upcoming players who are putting an effort towards the sport, and just seeing how they're playing. It's something that's really great, and yeah, I mean, it was a great event.
And how does Red Bull helps you in getting all to these tournaments, and also when you want to go out, you want to travel? Because I was hearing a podcast of Abhay Singh where he said that squash is a really expensive sports. So if you don't feel like you can spend that much of money, you should not take up this sport. So do you really think in those kinds of situations, something like Red Bull can help you out for the financial part of it?
Yeah, I mean, Red Bull is extremely supportive, even besides the financial part, like just organizing events like this, just helping the sport get more popular and get more attention as well. And they also have the Athlete Performance Center in Austria and Salzburg, which a lot of the top athletes go to for like any rehab or any work that they need to get done and seeing how to improve in their game. I think just having opportunities like that, not everyone has it, and yeah, I'm really grateful to get it.
I also want to ask you about the fact that we have talked about your journey till here when you started at a very young age. What was your parents' support like, and how important is your family in your this journey?
My family is extremely supportive. Like my parents were here today as well, and just they're always there when I'm traveling. So I'm still quite young right now, so I don't get to travel alone. But just having someone there, like I said, if you sometimes lose a match or if you're feeling a bit down, just having someone there with you if you ever need to, change your mind or get your mind off the game, and just having someone there who's always really supportive, it's really great.
Okay, if I'll ask you, Anahat, at this very moment, what is your biggest goal for your career and also for your personal life? Like one thing that you really want to get in your career and one thing that you really want to get in your personal life also.
In my career, I'd say world number one, of course, and also and medal at the Olympics, I'd say now. But yeah, in my personal life, I've not really thought about that.
Board exams maybe or something like that, or you want to buy a house for your parents or a car for yourself, something fancy like that.
Yeah, hopefully I can live in a mansion one day.
Like how big mansion, the Antilia kind of a mansion or something like a JK, the mansions that we see in GK and all the hodgepodge societies of Delhi.
Yeah, I've not really thought about that, but yeah, I want to live in a big house with, dogs, and yeah, just have my family around always,
And
and
the squash court,
yeah, of course.
so that you don't have to travel a lot for the practice and everything. Okay, so that was Anahat Singh हमारे साथ थी. फिलहाल इंडिया की नंबर 1 है और हम लोग उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि आने वाले जितने भी टूर्नामेंट्स होंगे उसमें अनाहत देश के लिए मेडल लेकर के आएंगे. फिलहाल सिर्फ 17 साल की हैं तो एक लंबा करियर उनके आगे अभी है और बहुत सारे मेडल्स जीतने का मौका भी. अनाहत को हमारे साथ यहाँ पर जुड़ने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और आप सभी का इस इंटरव्यू को देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.